Hello everyone. Have you ever faced the challenge of transferring music from your iPhone to your Samsung phone? Today I'll introduce you to a powerful tool, Mobikin Transfer for Mobile. Let's see how easy it is to accomplish this goal together. First, we need to download and install the software from the official Mobikin Transfer for Mobile website. Once the download is complete, double-click the installation package file and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, double-click the Mobikin Transfer for Mobile icon on your desktop to open the software. Now, let's connect your iPhone and Samsung phones. First, use the original USB data cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. Then, use another USB data cable to connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Wait a moment until Mobikin Transfer for Mobile detects and recognizes your two phones. Next, select the Music option, where you can see a list of all music files. Now, let's start transferring music from your iPhone to your Samsung phone. As you can see, Mobikin Transfer for Mobile immediately starts transferring music files.